You sat down to study, opened your notes, and then nothing. It's not laziness, it's not weakness. It's your brain and it's been hijacked. Your brain runs on dopamine. Every scroll, every notification, instant reward, zero effort. Then you open your textbook, delayed reward, high effort, zero excitement. Your brain doesn't pick the hard thing, ever. You weren't weak, you were outgunned, and here's how it beats you. Every single day. Trap 1. The warm-up loop. You fix your desk. Rewrite your schedule. Build the perfect playlist. It feels productive. It isn't. You haven't touched the actual work, and the clock is already running. Trap 2. The perfect moment. I'll start when I feel ready. Einstein didn't wait to feel ready. He started, and focus came after. Motivation doesn't come before action. It comes because of it. Trap 3. The borrowed life. You're studying for your parents, your friends, someone else's version of your future. When the goal isn't yours, your brain finds every reason to quit, and it always wins. So here's the fix. Shrink the task. Don't tell yourself, study physics. Just open page 1. That's it. Set a 2-minute timer, one commitment, nothing more. Put your phone in another room, not on silent, gone. Small start, real momentum, every time. But here's what nobody says out loud. Marcus Aurelius ruled an empire and woke before dawn every single day. Not because someone forced him, because he knew exactly why he was doing it. Clarity beats discipline, always. If the goal isn't yours, no system, no hack, no trick saves you. Find your real reason first. Then your brain stops being the enemy and starts being the engine. 2 minutes. That's the whole challenge. Your future self isn't sitting around waiting for motivation. He's waiting for you to move first. So close this and go.